height and distance, application of trigonometry. In a right angle triangle, we use as a trigonometric ratios and draw some concept as related to angle and ratio of the sides as a theta, and the relation of side, this is base for this angle theta, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Any unknown two digits related by angle theta as represented by rule Pakistan bhuka pyasa upon Hindustan hara bhara. The terms word used as in height and distance. First term is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. When observer seen object to above the on head. Above angle make by the horizontal. This is angle of elevation. And angle of depression. Angle of depression when observer seen below from this height and make the angle parallel to horizontal as a theta. This is parallel to on horizon, make angle equal as a line parallel to alternate angle are equal, so this is also theta. By this concept, angle of elevation means this is angle of elevation. According to depression, this angle has a side of line. This is the side of line and this is also side of line. लाइन जो होती है इस लाइन के जस्ट अबव डायरेक्शन में एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन एंड बिलो डायरेक्शन में एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. अकॉर्डिंग टू ज्योमेट्रिकल लाइन पैरेलल, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. आपके पास जितने भी इसमें टॉपिक होंगे सभी ट्रायंगुलर शेप में होंगे और ट्रायंगल आपके 1 2 3 एन इज जैसे बनेंगे सिंपल एज एन ए ट्री ब्रेक थ्रू बाय स्टॉर्म एंड टच द ग्राउंड एट अ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम बॉटम इज 20 मीटर. मेक द एंगल इज इक्वल टू 45 degree. So find the height of tree as total height of tree. We know this is the part of this is touch the ground, so make this is x as a part of this and this is y, or height of tree is equal to x plus y. So we find x and y and the help of trigonometry. The triangle, just triangle use as a tan 45. Tan as a ratio of the perpendicular and base, because we find the perpendicular as x, so helping by base tan 45 is equal to x upon 20. Tan 45 is equal to 1, so x upon 20 implies that x is equal to 20. Next term in a triangle, we required as a hypotenuse, and we know hypotenuse upon base is equal to cos 45 is equal to base upon hypotenuse is equal to y. Put up the value, implies that 1 upon root 2 is equal to 20 upon y, or y is equal to 20 root 2. So height of tree is equal to 20 plus 20 root 2. And we take a common, otherwise we have put up the value. If given in the question root 2 is equal to 1.41, so as a meters. Next example, important example है. We use a tower has a distance A and B 2 points as a distance A and distance B from the foot of tower. Make an angle of point ground point A and B as a complementary angle from the top of tower. So their angle are theta. You know complementary angle, sum of two angles has 90. So one angle is theta, then other is 90 minus theta. No effect when theta is replaced by this and 90 minus theta is this. So we put the height h एंड हमें प्रूफ करना होगा, क्वेश्चन में रिक्वायरमेंट है प्रूफ कीजिए h इज इक्वल टू रूट ए बी मीटर. दिस इज ए मीटर एंड दिस इज बी मीटर. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास सिंपल टॉपिक है एज ए थीटा एंड 90 माइनस थीटा. दो ट्रायंगल है हमारे पास एंड ट्रायंगल ए पी बी ए पी एम ले लीजिए और एक बी पी एम ले लीजिए. दो ट्रायंगल हैं, दोनों में एम पी इज़ द हाइट ऑफ टावर. वी टेक एच एंड अप्लाई द वैल्यू tan theta is equal to h upon a, and again this is the first relation, again tan 90 minus theta is equal to b upon h upon b. But tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, or this is h upon b. Again cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta is equal to h upon b, but we know reciprocal of this, so tan theta is equal to b upon h. Now tan theta हमें मालूम है सेकेंड रिलेशन एंड tan theta फर्स्ट रिलेशन h upon a. Comparing the value, comparing first and second, from first and second, h upon b is equal to h upon b, sorry, h upon a is equal to b upon h, and we have h square is equal to ab, or h is equal to root ab. The important question, so we solve it. Important question है and easy है. Please like and subscribe my channel. And next topic, some question are important for board. We put up in the next video. Like and subscribe my channel.